What's up, YouTube? Seductive Souls coming at you. In front of me, I have two pair of Jordan Grape 5s. Today is 9/11. I just got a package in the mail for the Jordan 5 Grape Golfs low. Right here, I have the 2013 Jordan Grape 5s hot top. Now, I bought the golf lows for one specific reason. They didn't make the 5 grapes in lows, but they made them in golf. So my plan is to make these into these. And I'm going to compare them right now. And like I said, they're golf shoes. So let me switch those. We'll start off by saying regular 5s in the typical box that they come in with the cement print on them. The golf came the black box with the gold Jordan logo. This came with the red Jordan logo. So put them side by side. Now, first off, one low top, high top, low top. On the high top 5s, the tongue is a material. On the low golfs, it's like a hard plastic lace lock. But the golf 5s, oh, I misplaced it. Here we go. The golf 5s also came with replacement lace locks that match the high top 5. Okay. Same perspective. The material is different. This is more of a suede, and this is more, I don't know, not new book. I don't know the difference between the two, but this one, you can tell a difference in the material. The golf looks cheaper than the 2013 high top 5s. So, of course, they both have they're 5, so they both have the aqua look or grape, whatever you want to call it. It's all the same on the side with the air bubble on the bottom. Now my high top 5s, I wore them one time, so they're turning yellow. As you can see, on the right we have the golf 5 low, the left we have the regular 5. Of course, the golf shoes have the spikes in it. The regular 5 doesn't. On the regular 5, the high top, this is like a rubber where it says Jordan. Over here, this is more like a plastic. It's more shiny. The same with the toe box part on the sole. This is like a shiny rubber looking, plastic looking, and then this is rubber. Then of course you have your Jumpman on both, and this is a more icy blue. This is just like a clear, and this is that blue ice, and you can definitely see the turn to the back. Same thing. Jumpman in the back. The golf shoe, the upper material is darker than the 5. I'll add a picture on the front. Of course, it says Air Jordan on both. That's the same. Outside is the same. So pretty much same shoe, a little bit different quality. One's high top, one's low. One's golf, one's basketball. Pretty much the same thing. But my plan is to try to turn the golf into a low top version of this, which is pretty much just take the spikes off the bottom and get it to look like that. Oh, that's dirty. Need to clean that. But yeah. So yeah, pretty much same netting, lace locks, everything like that. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.